Hey traders, welcome to 𝗃𝗃𝗏𝗍𝗆's weekly Forex forecast. First of all, we hope all of you made money last week. As usual, we will start with dollar index, DXY, we will cover few majors along with US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. The time frame that we are using here is 4 hours. So all of you who are new to 𝗃𝗃𝗏𝗍𝗆's channel, subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and let's dive into the charts. DXY, for this one, all of you know guys that we were expecting market to go in a sideways move before the next structure. Do you remember that? We said from here, market will be going sideways, and then we will update you. Now, step by step here, we were following the structure and we were updating you. From here we said down, market went down. Then from here we said market will be going up, we've got this up wave. Corrective structure, we said another push up is coming. Market went up. After this up move, we've got this drop, and we said this drop will be going all the way down to break this low and this low. Why these lows? We have liquidity here. What is liquidity? It's simply a block of market orders sitting under equal lows or above equal highs. And this is not the only place where you can find liquidity. This is just one pattern and one example. And it's not under every equal lows or above every equal highs. Make sense? Now, after this drop, we said the next wave is toward the upside, and market went all the way up to 100 level. All our premium analysis service members, you should remember 100 level. And look at the reaction here. Alright? If you remember, we said last week the next wave is toward the upside, and market went all the way up again. All of this guys is based on knowledge, experience, and understanding of market structure. Noting that, from here we're having Fed news regarding hiring interest rates. So guys, if you remember these forecasts, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Now, no matter what they will do next regarding the rates, we are expecting DXY to fall back down. So first thing first, this down wave for DXY. Regardless if they are planning to hire interest rates more than once this year, DXY will be falling. Why is that? 1. The news are already factored in. And number 2 reason, the structure needs a down wave. Now, can this drop go all the way down to break this low? Yes, it can. For now, focus on this structure and on this wave. Euro dollar for this one. I hope guys all of you remember the big drop that was covered few months ago. And then also for this one, from here we said market will be falling. Do not be trapped with this break of this high. Exactly from this top, we said to our Sunday session members, guys, this fall is coming, and market dropped. After that, we said we are still biased to the downside. We are not convinced that euro dollar is ready to push up, and market went more down. From these levels, we said another push down is coming, and this is exactly what market did. Now, a small hint regarding wave analysis. We trade waves unique system and the power of our own methodology. Look at this. I'm not criticizing guys, I'm just giving you examples. Most of traders who trade smart money concept or order blocks, they will be going for this buy from here all the way up. Because for them, this is an uptrend. Alright? So they are thinking that market will be pushing higher. But for us, we saw liquidity here and here. So knowing how to trade, when not to trade is very important guys. Even for those who trade chart patterns or candlestick patterns, whatever. All you have to do is to learn how to trade correctly. And this is something we can help you with. Your first step into this road is our premium analysis service. Anyway, for euro dollar, we really hope guys a lot of you get in this sell and made money with this drop. One more time, if you remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. All it takes from you guys is less than 1 minute, and I'm personally reading every single comment. Also for this one guys, and just to let you know, the sells were from here and not from these levels. Even this was a high probability chance move, but we were looking for other euro pairs to go short. As example, EURCAD. It was one of the trades of the week that were covered on our last Sunday session. Do we have a proof for that? Sure, let me show you this.
The second one that I'm looking for is EURCAD. EURCAD would be the one, all the CAD euro pairs are looking like they are having one more drop this week. Expect them to be a small correction, drop again, correction, drop again. 37 is going to be your next price action level. If it gives you a small correction there as well, another break is coming to break the low. Okay.
And by the way guys, if you wanna get a chance to win $50,000 funded account, this Sunday we'll be doing the draw for the first quarter. Coming back to euro dollar. For this one, the next wave is towards the upside. And we are expecting this to go up at least to 1.1050. Can this one go all the way up to break this top again? Yes, it can. For now, focus on this up wave, and we will update you later on. Pound dollar for this one, we have posted this chart guys on TradingView just to stop most retail traders who are looking for this up wave. And by the way, all of you who are not following us on TradingView, we want you to follow us there as well. We are posting charts on a weekly basis and even sometimes on a daily basis with explanations. The link of our TradingView profile is in the description under this video. So follow us to get a notification as soon as we publish the next chart. Coming back to pound dollar, what next? For this one, we're expecting market to push up. Can this up move go all the way up to break this top, and this one? Yes, it can. But guys, we want you to be careful buying pound dollar. Why? Because after this up wave, we can see it dropping next. So first thing first, this up move is a dollar move, and this it might be a pound move to the downside. So ignore this drop at the moment and focus on this up wave. Once we get a buy setup, we will get in. First thing first, an up move will be coming. Why pound dollar might drop next? Is this one of the trades of the week? What is the pattern here? All of this along with the bigger picture will be covered by T in details this Sunday. Aussie dollar for this one, you know that we were biased to the downside, and this was also posted on TradingView. Market went down, it gave us a corrective structure, drop, and then another push up. This up wave guys, it was panic, manipulation after the rate decision. Regardless of this up move, market dropped after that. Our bias haven't changed, and we were still biased to the downside. And we said guys, Aussie dollar is going to fall. Let me explain you this. Aussie is under pressure, and the relation between Australia and China is not good at the moment, and inflation is also rising in Australia. So, any up wave, it will be just for short term, and then the bigger picture, the bigger wave is toward the downside. What happened technically here? Let me explain. After this up move, market started to correct. What this means? Liquidity above the top. So market makers will push market up to grab liquidity above the top of all those who were selling, and also to trap in breakout traders. Alright guys, so exactly at this top, most of traders who were selling for this double top, the stop loss is above the top. And if you remember what I said regarding Aussie dollar inside New Zealand dollar forecast last week, give us a thumbs up. Anyway, above this top, you have a lot of stop orders. As stop loss for those who are going for the sell, or as buy stops for those who would like to trade breakouts. Not only this, a big group get in the sell from here thinking that this might be a triple top formation. And that's why, guys, our wave analysis concept is different and is unique. So, most of retail traders who get in the sell from here or who get in the buy from here are out, because most of this who get for this breakout to the upside, the stop loss is here. So understanding, guys, market makers' footprints, retail traders' behavior is very, very important. So for us, fundamentally, AUD needs to fall. Microeconomic factors saying to us that AUD needs to fall, and structure is almost ready for the next fall. That's why we're biased to the downside, and this is what happened here. Make sense, guys, for all of you? I'm trying to explain you more on every single forecast because a lot of you are liking and commenting. So if you want me to explain you more and more, this is all what you have to do. Like and comment. Now, first thing first, we're expecting Aussie dollar to push up, and this up wave. If it will be a corrective structure, the next move is towards the downside. For now, we are focusing on our buy setups for this pair. Up and then down. And by the way, guys, this is the dashboard our premium analysis service members get access to. Inside this one, they can find Sunday and Wednesday live session links and recordings. At the same time, we are updating the trades of the week and announcements inside the dashboard. So any update regarding the trades of the week or any other pairs that we see, we will put it here for you. If this sounds like something that you are interested in, all the details are in the description under this video. Dorian, for this one, you know that we are biased to the downside regardless of this upwave. Now, in Euro-Dollar chart, I gave you an example regarding smart money concept and regarding order blocks. Inside Aussie dollar, I gave you an example regarding head and shoulders patterns. For this one, a lot of retail traders were selling this one, this doji, and some of them sold this engulfing, and some of them they sold this pin bar. No matter what type of trader you are, or what system you use, wave analysis will give you a nudge and will help you a lot before executing the next trade. So the main thing, guys, is to learn how to trade correctly. We have been there, trading support and resistance, candlestick patterns, advanced patterns, smart money concept, order blocks, but our wave analysis concept, guys, is different. And that's why we have the high accuracy in our forecasts. Let me repeat that, high accuracy, because no one can get 100%. And if you are trying to search for this 100% in terms of accuracy or win rate, I'm afraid, guys, you will never ever find that. In trading, you are working with probabilities. All you have to do is to understand market structures, learn how to trade correctly, apply and implement correctly. This is also very important. How you can implement correctly? Psychology. And that's why also psychology is a big part of our Masterclass course. I'm not trying to make a promotion here, I'm just explaining you what you should do. Learn first and then risk your money. I'm repeating that, we have been there. Alright, guys, coming back to dollar yen. For this one, our bias is still towards the downside. Anytime this can fall, and we will not miss the next fall. This is a higher probability chance move. What do you mean by that, Alan? If this is a 99% chance move, we still have 1% chance that this can shoot up 1000 pips. If most of the times market will give me this down wave, I'm going for this one, and I will ignore this part. New Zealand dollar for this one, also this was posted, guys, on TradingView, and then market started to fall. After making this double tap, market went up, grabbed liquidity, and then all the way down to break this low and this low. What next? An up wave will be coming here, and then we'll update you after that. If this up wave will be a corrective structure, another drop will be coming. For now, let's focus on this up move. Pound yen for this one, we will not miss this drop as soon as markets start to fall. The bigger structure is completed, yen is so weak, so Bank of Japan needs to take action soon. Otherwise, they might be in trouble. So for pound yen, guys, anytime market will start to fall and we will try to be in to ride this down wave. This drop, it will be more than 700 to 800 pips move. Is this one of the trades of the week? Where might be the next target? All of this will be covered in details this Sunday. Yes, all for this one. If you are in this sell, move your stops and let market unfold. Or you can take profits. From here we said after this up wave, market will correct for another push up. So this is the corrective structure that we were waiting for, and now market will be pushing back up. This up wave, guys, it might break this top, and potentially this one as well. All of this will be a corrective structure before the next move. So yes, all, we're expecting an up wave for now. Gold for this one, you know that we were biased to the upside, right? We said market will be pushing up from here or from under this low. In all the cases, the next wave is toward the upside. Market gave us a corrective structure, it went back up. What next? Another push up will be coming. And this might go all the way up, guys, to at least 1970, and then we'll update you. By the way, this was also one of the trades of the week covered by T last Sunday. So if you want to get the next trades, along with a chance to win $50,000 funded account, subscribe to our premium analysis service. All the details, guys, are in the description under this video. So for gold, one more push up. Dollar CAD, I hope, guys, all of you get a notification regarding this one. This was also posted on TradingView. After this drop, market started to push up. After this up wave, market will correct for another push up. This is what we can see for now. After this up move, guys, if market will correct here, another up wave will be coming all the way up to break this top, and go to 1.3 levels. So those of you who are in, this is a medium to long-term trade. Silver for this one, we're expecting market to push up. This is the next wave, and this is the next move that we are looking for. Can this one go all the way up to break this top and this top? Yes, it can. For now, let's see the reaction here, and then we'll update you. Bitcoin, we are still biased to the upside. Even with this drop, this is a normal corrective structure. After this drop, guys, we are expecting Bitcoin to push up. We are still biased to the upside, and we are buyers. Those of you who are not in, wait market to give you a buy setup, and then you go for the next trade. S&P 500, for this one, guys, we've got this up wave, correction. Up, market is correcting here for another push up. So all of you are in the buy, you move your stops, and you manage your trades. Those of you who are not in, you can look for the next buy setup. S&P 500 is going to 47 levels. Our premium analysis service members, you must remember that. With that note, guys, I wish you a great trading week. You trade with care, do not over-risk, do not overtrade, do not jump in, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to a losing position.